What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I had a buddy's truck. He was over at my house the other day, and I looked at the front of his truck and I said, "Hey, you got something missing here. Something's falling off or something. There's a hole in the front of this F-150." And he said, "No, it's supposed to be like that." And I said, "There ain't no way." So they do sell a piece that goes in here. This is a V8. He's got an engine block heater. So that's why it did not come with this piece. Not sure why we would need that down south because our engines aren't freezing or anything like that. So that's not needed. So we're going to cover this terrible looking hole up, and Ford actually sells the part. So we've purchased it. It's right here. This piece is going to go in, fill the hole. So it is part number ML3Z-17B968-AB. So let's go ahead and see what we need to install this thing, and we can correct what should have already been done and make it look a lot better. All right, so this is the benefit of working on a lifted truck. I can sit under here, have my head up, but right now it looks like I'm in a prison cell in this truck. So let's hurry up and get this fixed. All right, so we're inside the truck now, and these clips right here, 1 and 2 up there, those and there's a third one right there. So those need to pop off. It brings this plastic piece. It loosens the plastic piece. And then you've got to take these clips right here and pop those up. And then on the other side, we've got to take the same clips loose. There's one right up here and one right here. So we're going to take those loose, and then this whole chrome piece of the bumper is going to come off. And then, because we've got to be able to, the chrome pieces come back behind here. So we've got to get that off in order to get this off to place the piece behind this. So I'm going to finish that up and show you what it looks like off. All right, so after further review, there's on each side, there's this nut that you have to loosen up just a little bit, and it just slides right out. But it doesn't just slide right out. This thing was a pain in the butt to get off. So you're going to have a bunch of clips all down through here that you got to take loose. But as far as loosening any screws or nuts, it's just the two, like I said, right there. There's one there and there's one on the opposite side. But yeah, it's just a bunch of clips. So got the thing off, sitting right there. And we're going to add the other piece to it and pop it back in. Okay, so this is the piece that is coming out that has the holes in it. So I've already unclipped this, but what it is right here, that clip goes through there, and you just pop these off. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you just push those back a tiny bit. And then you pop them loose without breaking any of them, and we broke one. So it's inevitable on these when you're dealing with all these little plastic cheap clips. So we've got that off. We're going to put the new one on, put it together, see what it looks like. Okay, so before we put this back on, I want y'all to see all these clip points for this stupid front piece. So very frustrating. I would rather loosen up bolts, screws, but these clips, very annoying. So, but there you go. We're going to pop it back on and screw the two nuts on, and we'll look at the final product. All right, so this, we just literally popped it right back on, and then you want to take these clips, these little white clips, and they just push right back in. Just like that. And there's 4 of these. All right, so that should be pretty much it. Just got to tighten down those screws again, like I said. right there, and we should be good to go. All right, guys, so we are done with this install. This looks way cleaner. So there's no longer holes there. It looks like it is a complete front end. It looks like it's a completed bumper. So not sure why they left the holes, just because of that heater attachment, because you can easily get to it up under the truck, but whatever, it's fixed now. But I will say, this is a pain in the butt. You need two people. You need somebody on the outside, you need somebody on the inside unclipping, and somebody holding the pieces. It's very finicky. So but reinstalling the new one, pop it right on. So but yeah, so y'all check it out. I think it's pretty cool. Definitely an upgrade. So but yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And until next time, see y'all.